we see two problems which we can solve with the use of dynamic programming strategy. First one is binomial coefficient, right? And second one is making change problem, right? Now, next problem that we can solve with the use of dynamic programming concept is knapsack problem, or you can say that 0 1 knapsack problem, right? Now, as we know that dynamic programming is a technique for solving problems with overlapping sub problems, right? It means you have not you have not solved the sub problems, right, which you already solved in previous steps, right? Just throw the result of all the sub problems in table, and then you can use that solution for future use, right? So all these sub problems, right, are typically based on recurrence relation, right? So in this method, right, we solve the knapsack problem, right? In this uh, topic, we solve the knapsack problem using the dynamic programming approach, right? Now, first of all, let's define the knapsack problem, right? So, knapsack problem, right? So, if you want to define the knapsack problem, then you can define like this. If there are small n items, right? Listen carefully. If there are small n items with the weights W1, W2 up to Wn, right? It means if you have n items with weight W1, W2, W3 up to Wn, right? And values. Values means profit associated with each item, right? So if you have n items with weight W1, W2 up to Wn and values V1, V2, V3 up to Vn, right? And the capacity of knapsack to be capital W, right? And the capacity of the knapsack to be capital W, right? Then find the most valuable subset of the item, right, that fit into the knapsack, right? So આપણે શું કરવાનું છે, આપણી પાસે એક knapsack છે. Knapsack means one type of bag, right? And we have total n items, right? And each item has some particular weight. Consider W1, W2, W3 up to Wn, right? And each value has some each item has some values, right? Values means profit, right? So that is V1, V2, V3, Vn, right? And capacity of knapsack is capital W. So it means we can fill the knapsack at maximum weight capital W, right? And problem is we have to fill the knapsack with maximum profit, right? We have to fill the knapsack with most valuable subset. It means with maximum profit, right? So getting what is knapsack problem, right? Now, to solve this problem using dynamic programming, right, we have to use the recurrence relation, right? So what is the recurrence relation for knapsack problem using dynamic programming, right? So to solve the knapsack problem using dynamic programming, right, we have to generate a table, because whenever we want to solve any problem with the use of dynamic programming, we have to create a table in which we can store the answer of or solution of each and every sub problem, right? So generate a table V1 to N and 0 to W. So value of rows in table V is 1 to N, right? And value of columns of table V is 0 to W, right? Where small n is equals to number of items and capital W is equal to capacity of knapsack, right? Now, where n is equals to number of objects and w is equals to capacity of knapsack. Right? Now this is the recurrence relation, right, to generate a table Vij, right? So to generate a table Vij, we have to follow these steps, right? All of you can write these steps in your notebook, right? So step one is make Vi0 is equals to 0. It means first column of your table is equals to 0 for 0 less than I less or equals to n. Right? It means for each and every object in your knapsack, first column is equals to 0 in your table. Right? Then step 2 is if j less than wi. It means your column index is less than the weight of that particular object, then Vij, right, for that cell of your table, value is equals to Vi minus 1 j, right? So previous row value, right, previous row value and which column value? Current column value, right? So Vi minus 1 j, right? And if value of j is greater or equals to object weight, right? It means the index of your current column is greater or equals to weight of current item, right, which you select for the knapsack, then that cell of table filled with the equation Vij is equals to maximum of Vi minus 1j, comma Vi minus 1 j minus wi plus Vi. Right? You have to remember these equations to fill the knapsack table. Right? So these are the three steps which you have to follow to generate a table for 01 knapsack problem using dynamic programming. Right? Now consider this knapsack problem, right, which we want to solve using dynamic programming technique, right, where capital W, it means knapsack capacity is equals to 11, right, and small n is equals to 5. It means there are total 5 objects, right? So using these 5 objects, we have to fill the knapsack with capacity 11, right? And profit or value for each object is like this, right? For object 1, value, that is V1 is equals to 1 and weight is equals to 1, right? For second object, value is 6 and weight is 2. For third object, value is 18 and weight is 5. For fourth object, value is 22 and weight is 6. For fifth object, value is 21 and weight is 7. Right? So this is the problem, knapsack problem, which we want to solve with the use of dynamic programming, right? And find the solution such that, right, we can find the most valuable subset of the item that fit into the knapsack, right? So let us solve this example, right? We have this 3 steps to generate the knapsack table, right? So all of you first write down this problem in your notebook. W is equals to 11, N is equals to 5. Then draw this table. Right? This is your problem. And now we solve this problem with the use of dynamic programming technique. થઈ ગયું? લખાઈ ગયું બધાનું?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us draw the table to solve the knapsack problem, right? So J column, right? So that is knapsack capacity, right? And row value, right? So in this, right, table row value, that is 1 to n, right? So here our value of n is equals to 5, so there are total 5 rows in your table, right? And value of j is
USB
depends on
removed.
the knapsack capacity, right? Knapsack capacity is 11, so there are total 11 columns, right? Column value starts from 0 to w, so 0 to 11, right? And row value starts from 1 to n, so 1 2 3 4 5, right? આ કેવી રીતે થયું એ ખબર પડી આટલું? How to write the row value and column value, right? Row value starts from 1 to n, so 1 2 3 4 5 because our n is 5, right? And j value, column index for knapsack table Vij is equals to 0 to w, so 0 to 11, right? Now first step is Vi0 is equals to 0 for 0 less than I less or equals to n. Here value of I is equals to 1, first row, so I is equals to 1, right, which is greater than 0 and less or equals to n, right, because n is equals to 5, right? So put 0, right, in 0th column, right, until you get the value of I less or equals to n. When you get the value of I greater than n, then stop this, right? Now next is first column, sorry, second column for value of j is equals to 2, right? So here j is equals to 2, sorry, sorry, j is equals to 1, right? J is equals to 1, I for this cell, I is equals to 1, j is equals to 1, wi is equals to 1, and vi is equals to 1, right? Write down in your notebook like this: I is equals to 1, j is equals to 1, wi is equals to 1, and vi is equals to 1, right? First write down for these steps for first column, right? Then write down for second column, first cell, right? Second column, first row, right? I is equals to 1, j is equals to 1, w1 is equals to 1, and v1 is equals to 1, right? So here value of j is greater than wi or less than wi? Value of j is greater or equals to wi or less than wi?
Equal.
J is equal, right? So we have to find the value of Vij with the use of this equation, right? So put value of Ij, Wi, Vi into this equation, right? So V11 is equals to maximum of V1 minus 1, 1, comma, V1 minus 1, then 1 minus 1 plus 1, right? So what will be the value of Vij? All of you put value of Ij, Wi, Vi into this equation because value of J is equals to Wi, right? For this row and this column, right? So what will be the value of Vij? V11 ની શું value આવશે?
1.
1, right? So write down 1 in this, right? So V11 is equals to 1. Write down 1 here, right? Now next find out V12. Sorry, next find out V21. Next find out V21. So that is this V21. For V21, value of I is equals to 2, value of J is equals to 1, value of W2 is equals to 2, and value of V2 is equals to 6. Right? So here I is equals to 2 and J is equals to 1. Right? I is equals to 2 and J is equals to 1. So value of J is 1 and Wi is 2. So J is less than Wi or J is greater than or equals to Wi?
Less than.
Less than, right? So we have to follow the step 2, right? So V21 is equals to V2 minus 1, 1. V2 minus 1 means V1, 1. So V11 ની value શું આવી previous step માં 1, right? So V21 is also 1. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So likewise, find all the values for V11, V21, V31, V41 and V51. All of you find out values for value V11, V21, V31, V41 and V51. Right? And match your answer with this table. Right? When you complete with these J is equals to 1, then tell me. Next we'll find for G is equals to 2. Right? You can find in row by row also. Right? Row by row પણ તમે કરી શકો, either column by column પણ કરી શકો. થઈ ગયું?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next is V12. So that is your first row and second column. Right? Now V12. For V12, right? I is equals to 1, J is equals to 2, Wi is equals to 1 and Vi is equals to 1. Right? Now value of J is less than Wi or greater or equals to Wi?
Greater.
Greater, right? So we have to use which step, this or this? Here value of J is equals to 2 and value of W1 is equals to 1. So value of J is higher, right? So we have to follow this step, right? So maximum of Vi minus 1 J, comma Vi minus 1 J minus Wi plus Vi. Put value of I, J, Wi and Vi in this equation, right? So what will be the value for V12? અહીંયા શું આવશે value? Sujal, what will be the value? 1. આવે છે બધાનું? Right? Now next, find the value for V22. V22, where I is equals to 2, J is equals to 2, W2 is equals to 2, and V2 is equals to 6. Right? So value of J is equals to 2 and W2 is equals to 2. So J is less than W2 or J is greater or equals to W2? J is greater or equals to, right? So J is equals to W2, right? So we have to again use this equation to put the value into this cell, right? So what will be the value for V22? Right, 6. બાકીના બધાનું આવે છે જે મને અહીંયા આન્સર નથી લખતા, રાઈટ? એ બધાને આવે છે આન્સર? आ रहा है आंसर सबका? 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Right? Now, same way, find the value for V32, V34, and V32, V42, and V52. Find the values for this 3 row also for J is equals to 2. And write down answer in the chat box. First for V2. Yes, 6. Right? Now continue for column number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. You have to fill the whole table. Right? To fill the table, if your knapsack capacity which you select is less than the weight of current object or current item, right? Knapsack capacity is less than current object weight, then value of that table cell is equals to previous row value and which cell? Previous row and current column value. Right? If your knapsack capacity is higher than the current object or current item weight, then previous row and current column and previous row and knapsack capacity minus WI plus value બેમાંથી જે maximum હોય that will be selected as the value for this cell in the table. Right? You can understand this equation like this. Right? Or else you can remember this equation. Right? So fill the table, right? Like this. Now anybody has any doubt in this creation of knapsack table?
No, ma'am.
Right? So match your answer with the solution that is shown on your screen. Right? In your notebook, you have to write down each and every step properly. Right? Value of I is equals to this, J is equals to this, W is equals to this, VI is equals to this, and J is less than WI or J is greater or equals to W, then we have to follow this equation, then put all the values into this equation, right? Final V21 or V23 or V25 is equals to this, right? You have to like this, right? And after compute all the values, right? Your tables look like this. Your table is look like this. રાઈટ જેને નહીં સમજ પડી હોય તો અહીંયા એક ઇક્વેશન એક્ઝામ્પલ સોલ્વ કરીને આપ્યું છે જો ફોર ધીસ V35. Right, you have to write like this. Right, after solving all the values for table, right, your table should look like this. And when you complete the table, please write down done in the chat box so I can continue with further calculation. તમારા આન્સર્સ મેચ થાય છે ટેબલ સાથે?
Yes, ma'am.
ઓકે. Okay, all of you complete the table. Shall I move ahead or wait for some minutes? હા તો પણ આ જ છે. હા તો નેપસેકમાં થશે જ એવું. And you can solve knapsack problem with the use of dynamic programming, with the greedy method, with the backtracking, right? There are so many approaches that is used to solve the knapsack problem, right? But in if you want to solve the knapsack problem using dynamic programming, then you have to follow these steps only. Right? This is the half of the solution. Now half is remaining. And if you have done any mistake in calculation, right, then whole 7 marks example will be wrong in your exam, right? So do it carefully because એક પણ વેલ્યુ આમ તેમ થશે so બાકીની બધી વેલ્યુમાં પ્રોબ્લેમ થશે, right? Because these all sub problems are related to each other, right? So do it carefully. ઓકે, ચાલો. જેનું નથી થયું, they can copy the table from your screen, right? And do the calculation later on, right? So at the end, right, the table value, right, that is V of NW. What is V of NW value? That is 40, right? V small n is 5 and capital W is 11. So V511, right, is our goal. That is, it gives the total items sum of all the selected items for the knapsack. Right? આ જે 40 છે, right, જે VNW ની જે value છે, that will gives us total items sum of all the selected items for the knapsack. Right? So 40, sorry, sorry. Sorry. Okay. So 40 is the total, right, or maximum value, right, of item we select, right, for the filling of the knapsack. Right? So આપણે 11 weight ના knapsack ની જે capacity છે, right, એ બેગમાં કેટલી વેલ્યુની આઈટમ ફિલ કરી શકીએ? 40. Right? So 40 is the maximum value of the item, right, which we select to fill the knapsack. Right? So આપણને હવે એટલી ખબર પડી ગઈ કે આપણે એટલી આઈટમ સિલેક્ટ કરી છે કે જેની ટોટલ વેલ્યુ કેટલી થાય છે? 40. Right? But which items we selected? Right? Which item we selected to fill the knapsack of capacity 11, right, whose total value is 40. કઈ આઈટમ સિલેક્ટ કરી છે એ હજી ખબર નથી પડી. Right? From this table we can only know that this many total value of items are selected, right? But which items are selected? Right? To find this we have to follow one શું કહેવાય, step. Right? We have to follow one step. Right? So to find the actual knapsack item, right, we have to follow the steps like this. Right? Start looking at V and W. So V and W means V511. Right? આ ધ્યાનથી જોજો. Right? So V511. Right? Now see on the previous row in same column. So that is V411. Right? So V511 is equals to V411. Yes. Right? Here V511 is 40 and V411 is 40. Right? So not include the object 5. Right? So object 5 is not included in your knapsack. Right? So object 5 આપણે include નહીં કરશું to fill the knapsack. Right? Now next. Now we reach to V411. Right? Now V411 is equals to V311. V311 is 25 and V411 is 40. So both are not equal. Right? Both are not equal. Right? So we can add object 4. Right? But we have to match one value with one equation. Right? Which equation? Match the value of V411 with value of this equation. If this equation gives equals to value of V411, then we can say that we can include the object 4. right? So what is that equation? Equation is Vij is equals to maximum of Vi minus 1j, comma Vi minus 1 j minus Wi plus Vi, right? So using this equation, right, we have to match our value of V41 with the value Vi minus 1, Vi minus 1, J minus Wi plus Vi value. રાઈટ આપણું જે સ્ટેપ નંબર 3 નું જે ઇક્વેશન હતું એ સ્ટેપ નંબર 3 ના ઇક્વેશનમાં જે સેકન્ડ પાર્ટ હતો, રાઈટ, that is this, right? We have to match value of this equation with V41. If value of this is equals to V411, right, then we can include the object 4, right? So Vi minus 1, so that is 4 minus 1, 3, right? And J minus Wi, value of J is 11, right? And W4 is 6, right? Plus V4, V4 is 22. So V3, 11 minus 6 is 5, right? Plus 22. So V35, V35 is 18, right? V35 is 18 plus 22. Plus 22 is 40. So that is V411, right? So we can include the object 4. Right? V35 is equals to 18 plus 22. Right? So we can include the object 4. Right? So select item 4 to fill the knapsack. Right? Now we reach to V35. Right? અહીંયાથી આપણે V35 પર પહોંચ્યા. Right? We select the fourth object. Right? After selecting the fourth object, we move to V35 in table. Right? So V35. Now V35 is equals to V25. એની ઉપરનું જોવાનું, ઉપરની રોના same column નો object. So V35 is equals to V25. No. Right? So again, we have to follow the same step, right? And include object 3 and, include object 3 and move to V20. Right? V20 is equals to V10. Yes. Right? So we cannot include object 2. Right? And as we reach V10, right? Now there is no objects are included, remaining, right? So we cannot include the V20, object 2 and object 1, right? So કેટલા object include થાય આપણા knapsack માં? Object 3 and object 4, right? Now object 3, right? Any value and object 4, any value, right? બંનેનું addition કરો તમે. 18 plus 22, so that is 40. Right? 18 plus 22, so that is 40, which is our goal, right? So 40 value થઈ ગઈ તમારી, right? And knapsack capacity is 5 plus 6, so that is 11, right? So you fill your knapsack with capacity 11 with maximum profit 40, right? If you select the item or object 3 and 4, right? So this is this optimal solution for 01 knapsack problem using the dynamic programming, right? And to fill the actual, to find the actual knapsack items, right, you have to follow these steps, right? You can summarize these steps like this, where I is equals to N, K is equals to W, and Y I greater than 0 and k greater than 0, right? So if table of I k not equals to table of I minus 1 k, then this item mark as in the knapsack, right? જો બંનેની વેલ્યુ સેમ નહીં હોય, જે તમારું કરંટ આઇટમ છે એ અને એની પ્રીવિયસ રો ની આઇટમ બંનેનું જો વેલ્યુ સેમ નહીં હોય, then this value, ith value will be put into knapsack, right? And I minus 1 and k minus wi, right? And જો બંને સેમ હોય, then I minus minus. So do not select value of I, right? You can summarize these steps like this also, right? So this is the 0-1 knapsack problem using dynamic programming, right? Its analysis of algorithm we will see later on, right? But the algorithm analysis આપણે લાસ્ટમાં સાથે જોઈ લઈશું after completion of this chapter, right? So 0-1 knapsack problem na problem solution ma anybody has any difficulty how to draw the table, how to put the values in the table, then last step is how to select the items, actual knapsack items from the solution, right? So આનું solution last માં કેવી રીતે દેખાય? Solution is item 3 and item 4 or object 3 and object 4 are selected for the knapsack of capacity capital W is equals to 11, where total profit is equals to 18 plus 22 is equals to 40, right? Because item 3 and item 4 ni value kali છે 18 plus 22, right? So maximum profit is 18 plus 22 is equals to 40, right? Anybody has any doubt in this 0-1 knapsack problem using dynamic programming? It is very most IMP, right? Most IMP questions as per your exam point of view. And this knapsack problem we can solve with use of greedy also and with the use of backtracking also, right? So dynamic nu clear ase, then and then you can easily understand the greedy method and backtracking method. Right? Again, I am asking anybody has any problem, at least give answer in chat box. So મને ખબર પડે. And still if you have any doubt, right, you can ask me anytime, right? I will share this PPT on the classroom after completion of this chapter, right? And after completion of this chapter, I will put assignment for this chapter on classroom, right? You can solve all the example in the assignment, right, using the reference of this PPT, right? And still you will find any doubt in solving any of the problem, right? You can ask me anytime. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.